Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share with you some time management tips that can help you increase your productivity and achieve your goals. Tip number 1: prioritize tasks. Make a to-do list and rank tasks based on their urgency and importance. This will help you focus on what really matters and avoid wasting time on less important tasks. Tip number 2: set goals. Having clear and achievable goals can help you stay motivated and focused. Break down your goals into smaller milestones and track your progress regularly. Tip number 3: break tasks into smaller chunks. Large tasks can be overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, more manageable ones can make them easier to tackle. Tip number 4: use a timer. Set a timer for a specific amount of time to work on a task, then take a break. This technique, known as the Pomodoro method, can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Tip number 5: eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone and avoid social media while working on important tasks. This will help you stay in the zone and avoid interruptions. Tip number 6: take breaks. Taking short breaks throughout the day can help improve focus and prevent burnout. Use this time to stretch, meditate, or do something that relaxes you. Tip number 7: delegate tasks. If possible, delegate tasks to others to free up time for more important tasks. This will help you focus on what you do best and avoid getting bogged down by trivial tasks. Tip number 8: learn to say no. Don't take on more than you can handle. Learn to say no to requests that don't align with your goals or priorities. Tip number 9: use technology. There are many productivity apps and tools available that can help streamline tasks and increase efficiency. Experiment with different tools and find the ones that work best for you. Tip number 10: get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for productivity and overall well-being. Make sure to get enough rest each night to stay focused and energized during the day. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, time is a precious resource, so use it wisely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more productivity tips and tricks.